So someone sent this particular website to me that I should give it a try. That this thing is paying. That I just have to open. I'll just open some ADS and they were going to pay me in dollars. And all that, like in dollars. Okay, have they paid you before? Ben said yes. They have. I'm like, okay, let me. That basically said I should try it. Said no problem. I'm going to try it. Then I tried and they pay me close to $2. But I don't really do it. I don't really do it. Then like I can't even believe him that they are not paying. Said that okay. So I tried it and they pay me $2. So when they pay me $2, I like okay, I think it's working. So I have to give it a try myself. So since then I've been trying to do this one myself. And then you can see here I just have to open something, then verify it, then claim my Satoshi on other here. And that's how I've been doing it. And I have a lot of now I have a lot of Satoshi. I don't know how much they're going to pay me, but I will withdraw the money again today to see how this thing is going to go. When I withdraw the money, I'm going to withdraw it. I will use my Binance to withdraw. I will withdraw it to my Binance account. So in case I want to collect it, because the first one I use Faucet Pay to withdraw it, and I have to have like $10 before I can collect it on that Faucet Pay. So my money is still there, but I want to withdraw this onto my Binance account. So you can see how I've been doing it. You just have to wait. And not only this one, that there's also some other thing that you can do inside the website. Like you can view ADS. You can see this place. You just have to click on one, then wait for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 seconds and all. There's another one here. Just wait for some minutes, then you're good to go. You can watch video. YouTube video here, and they will pay you. You can see they will go. You have to wait for 45 seconds. I'm going to pay you 2.4 Satoshi. Everything you can do you can do offer. A lot of offer here. You can download. They will tell you to download some app. Then they will pay you inside this particular website. So let me go to my dashboard. This is my dashboard. You can see what I have. I have 8,369. That's what I have in my dashboard. And this one is actually another win-win. This one is their faucet. So I have like a lot of things. But here you can swap this. Anytime I swap this one, this one I'll just transfer it to my dashboard. You can see transfer. But this one I can swap it. Let me try to swap this one. Let me swap it to I will swap this to I will swap my Dogecoin to Bitcoin. I want to see how much they're going to give me. How much did I have in my? I have one Dogecoin. It's 1.8. So what is what I have in my Dogecoin? I want that are available in my Doge. So I want to swap it to. This is what they're going to give me if I swap it to Bitcoin. So I will swap it. You can see swap successfully. So boom, I'm good to go. Then can swap. Let me swap another one to Bitcoin as well. You can see what I have here now. See what I have in my Bitcoin. I have like 200 and something. So this one I just have 2 Dogecoin, like 2 cents of Dogecoin. And this one to Litecoin. Let me swap Litecoin to. Let me swap it to Bitcoin. How much am I going to have? So I just have to enter my balance, the balance that I have. Then see what they're going to receive in my Bitcoin. So swap successfully. I'm good to go. Then another one. Let me swap another one so that you can see that I'm not lying. No, because when the person told me, so I was like, "Okay, leave me alone, Joe. What's this? I can't do this thing." But when I try it and it's worked for me, so I decided to share with you in case if you are interested in doing it. It will take a lot of time to do though, but trust me, they are going to pay. So this one is going to give me 510 naira point something swap successful. So I have to go back to my see what I have. No, before I have like 1,000 something. Now I have 300 and something. Then this 300 and something, I'm going to transfer it to my dashboard. See what I have in my dashboard. I have 800 and something in my dashboard. But I will just transfer it there now, and they're going to show me how much I have. Let me transfer it. Let me transfer everything to that place. So I have this 25.8, then transfer successfully. Then I'll just let me check what I have. Yeah, I have to check my dashboard. What I have in my dashboard. See, voila. See what I have in my dashboard now. So I'm going to withdraw this. Before you are going to withdraw, you can use Bitcoin, you can use Pay, you can use Dogecoin, you can use Faucet Pay. On that day, I use Faucet Pay to collect the $2, but I'm not using Faucet Pay again. I want to use my Bitcoin this thing to get this money out. So now you can see a lot of things you can collect. You can collect with Litecoin and all that. But I'm going for Bitcoin. You can see minimum withdrawal for this Bitcoin, you have to have like 11,000 Satoshi. How much did I have? And here you can see I have more than 11. So I'll just confirm. Before you can confirm, you can see I have my Binance Bitcoin address already, so it's there already. And how much they're going to give me, because they will remove transaction fee. So this is what they will give me. This is what they're going to give me after everything. They'll give me this left after the transaction fee. So I'll just withdraw. You can see a request to withdraw this and this and this and that has been created. Before you confirm the withdrawal, please verify information below. This is blockchain transaction and hold. So I'm good. So I have to, you can see that I'll just press confirm. Withdrawal will present in 3 business days, and trust me, sometimes they pay before then. So I know they're going to pay me this money. You can see this is what the first one I collect. You can see 2021. This is 2021 in October 28th. The time is there, and they pay me to my Faucet Pay. I can't lie, this is what they pay me. So that was close to $2 and all. So this is what they pay me, and they paid this one. We posted before 20 and 3 and this is what this one is processed. This one I just get this one now, but this one is before. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Now I have to wait till they pay me this one as well. So let us wait. Then I will do a video when they pay me the money. When I see the money in my Binance account, I know it's click. Thank you for watching. So after 3 days, they pay me my money. They pay me $4.29. That what they sent to my Binance account, because I don't have any money in this account before. So they send the money directly to this place for me. So in case you are interested to make money online, you can just try this thing. You can try this thing out. Let me see. You can see they send this money to my account. So in case you want to try to make money online, you can give this site a try. You can try it, then they will pay you. Just try it in case you want to make money online, and boom, you are good to go. This site really pay if you try all these steps that I talk about. You can see here I had to click on it, then wait for 45 seconds to finish. Then I will collect 3.8 satoshi, and after collecting all the satoshi, you have to make it to be 11,000 satoshi. Then you can add your Bitcoin address or any other address to collect your money out from this site. They pay though, they really pay money. So it's not a scam. You can see I already show you when I withdraw the first time I'm going to withdraw on this thing is on last year October, and now I do it again, and they pay me after 3 days. They send the money directly to my binance account. So if you can try this out, see, no matter how small it is, they pay. This one is not a scam, and they do not ask you to pay any money. You don't have to put any money there before you make money from this site. You just have to try your best, and they are going to pay you. Everybody can give it a try. You just have to register with the link. With this link, then you are good to go. You can sell this capture. You have to just fill it. Then after filling it, they are going to give me my satoshi. See, I have 2 satoshi. They are going to make sure that you finish everything inside here. Then you are good to go. There's nothing hiding here. You just have to do some sub, and then watch video and all. Do some offer as well, and they're going to pay you your money. They're going to give you satoshi. So that satoshi they're going to use as a. See, let us check the video. No video yet, so you can come to offer as well. Then do some offer, the survey and all that. They're going to pay you if you do all these things. So you just have to give it a try. Give it a try, because they pay. They said this small thing, just even if that's small money, they are paying. So just give it a try. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.